Students, we are coming to the topic, how do atoms exist? This topic is there in your NCERT book, students. How do atoms exist? Just now you have studied representation of an element. So in representation of an element you have studied at the left side as subscript we write atomic number, which tells you which tells you number of protons and number of electrons present in an atom, isn't it? And left side superscript tells you number of proton plus number of neutron, that is atomic mass present in the atom. So once you get to know about all this, you can see number of electrons also. You can, as per the rule you are going to study in structure of atom chapter, students, next chapter. Okay, how electrons are distributed in an atom, that you are going to study in the chapter structure of atom. Here you are going to study only formation of ions and formation of molecules. So students, atoms exist by forming molecules or ions. For example, you can see first example I have taken, hydrogen molecule formation. That means two atoms combine together to form hydrogen molecule. Two atoms of hydrogen combine together to form molecule. So what is the atomicity of this molecule, students? The atomicity of this molecule is 2, because two atoms have combined to form a molecule which is a stabler structure. Okay, so stabler form to exist. So atoms cannot exist independently. This is why they form molecules. Students, I gave you the concept of atomic number, atomic mass because of my next point. Here you can see the example. Symbol of sodium is given, students. Symbol of sodium, all of you know, it is Na, isn't it? Here 11 is telling you number of protons present in the nucleus. It has 11 protons in the nucleus. It has 11 electrons revolving around the nucleus, and it has atomic mass. You can see this one, atomic mass 23. Okay, so this 11 electron, students, they are revolving around the nucleus. As per the rule, we know that first shell cannot have more than 2 electrons, the second shell will have 8 electrons, and the third shell will have 1 electron. You can see 2 plus 8 plus 1, it becomes 11, isn't it? 2 plus 8 plus 1, it becomes 11. So this is how electrons are distributed, students. This is the nucleus of the atom. This is the first shell, this is the second shell, and this is the third shell. Okay.